Hello, this is Tyler with Appliance Service by Paul. We're going to walk you through the proper steps of how to fix a gas leak on your oven. Okay, a couple of the easiest first places we can look when we're looking for a gas leak in your oven is the surface burners. They're right in front. Like I say, the easiest place to get access to. Best way to check is if you have some soapy water. You can rub some soapy water on all the connections here and see if any of those are leaking. You have your main gas valve that comes into the oven here. Like I say, just rub some soapy water on all the connections. If it starts bubbling up, you know that that's where your gas leak's from. A couple more places you want to check for leaks in your gas line is back here where it connects to your oven. You need to check there, soap that down with some soapy water really good. And also another place you want to look for is where it connects to the wall at the actual gas line. You can even go back farther beyond your actual turn on and turn off valve, even farther back to see if it's possibly leaking before it even gets to your oven. If you happen to smell the gas leak when you open your oven door, then you know it's most likely coming down from the igniter assembly area. That's located down here. You have a couple gas lines that stem from the valve, so you'll want to check your connections here, here, and here as well. And that'll tell you if your leak is down inside your oven. Again, this is Tyler with Appliance Service by Paul. We've just walked you through the proper steps of how to fix a gas leak on your oven.